So before I go, also I'm going to remove the side panel in the rear just to make it easier to get access on the inside. And also I need to check if there's an antenna wire going for this antenna. You can see it barely on the window that there's some wires in the screen antenna. I'm not sure where it's connected, if it's in the bottom. So I'm just gonna remove the panel and then yeah, check it out. So all the panels are out. You have to remove the wire from and put it through. Also the plastic cover over here, and there's a Phillips screw on the front here on the black side panel, and there's a torque down here holding the seat belt. Also there's a torque on top on this panel here. Else there's just these yellow clips holding it together, so you just need to pull it out. There you can see my CB radio antenna going out the rear and up to the roof, and then you can see the signal cable going to the front where my radio is up in the roof. Let's see. Yeah. And then you can see I'm getting power from the auxiliary power at the rear, which wasn't in use. So the cigarette lighter socket, which I didn't have in the rear. Yeah, all done. Looks should be an easy job for them to remove it, so hopefully I can do it today or tomorrow, and then this weekend I can get started on in mounting the Gullwing. So yeah, just gonna add some get some plastic into the car, so then I can, when they remove it, I can just drive home without the window. Yes. So you probably could smash the window, but that's just more work. And also I want to keep the window so that if I want to go back to the window, and if the product doesn't work out, which I don't think I think it's going to work out, but just in case, I want to keep the window. Yeah. Also, you never know. Yes. Okay, so great service again here at the Out-Rack Gullwing. I'm not sure if they're connected, but yeah. But really nice guy. He's gonna try and get it done today. So hopefully tomorrow I can pick up the car and there's no window, so that's really nice. Yeah, so windy, can talk about it more later, but hopefully it's gonna say the window. He said it's since it's hardened glass, it's possible that it will break. So yeah, but we will see. Okay, new day. I got an exciting text that the discovery is done, and I'm heading over. I just grabbed a GoPro. So bad weather today. Actually now it's sunny, but yeah, it's been really bad, and it's going to be a lot worse. As I was walking over here now, I was thinking it's kind of strange that you deliver a car and then there's a hole in your car when you get it. Usually it's the other way around, it's a hole and then you go to get it fixed, but now I removed the window, and yeah, I hope the sound is okay. It's a bit windy. The other thing that I started thinking about is that I didn't ask for a price, so I think I just figured it's just going to use like 20 minutes, it's not going to cost that much, so yeah, we will see. It's going to be interesting to see how much it costs and if the windscreen is still in one piece.
Jeg sa akkurat det litt sånn rart at leverer inn bilen, og så det høl igjen når du skal hente den. Det bruker vanligvis være motsatt.
Okay, so picked up the car with the hole in in the side. So funny, so funny. Turned out 1,300 Norwegian kroners, and he said it was a bit bit more tricky to do it to get it out. It wasn't. You couldn't just use a knife and then cut it out. You had to use like these what's it called, piano wire and be two people and saw it out. And the wire broke like multiple times. Really glad I delivered it, so I didn't have to spend time on that. And I think it's well worth it. 1,300 Norwegian kroner. So yeah, the broken window. I thought the window was open. I think it's worth it because this has been done while I've been back home at work, my regular work, and also I've been editing. So it's worth the money when you think of it, two guys doing the job, and now I can just pick it up and then it's ready to mount the Gullwing. So yeah, on to the next part. Okay, so back home. Looks really good. They did a really nice job, and yeah, there are some scratches on the paint, which I can just add some paint. Yeah, maybe just do some Brunox and some clear coat or something, just to make sure it doesn't. But yeah, it's aluminium, so it shouldn't rust. But I think this, or is this steel? I'm actually not sure. Is all of this aluminum? Or is there steel behind? I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, so from what I have watched on the installment video that the Out-Rack had, you have to drill a hole down here. I mean. Also a hole here, and then I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes on top, which is gonna hold together also with the binding sealant, the window sealant. So I bought window sealant made for this kind of use. It's just gonna be so cool on the car. I can't wait. And like with the airline. I think I'm going to use the airline rails, maybe have a small flip down table or something, just right here, and then yeah, making coffee, yeah. I'm excited. Yes, now going back inside, continue at work, let's finish up the day. Family night tonight, it's Friday, so it's family night, and then early tomorrow morning, I'm gonna start up with mounting this, and yeah, hopefully on Sunday I'm gonna let it cure for at least 24 hours. So hopefully on Sunday I can take it out, and then yeah, maybe go and make some coffee. So it said it's going to be like this all night, all through the evening, all through the night, and also all through tomorrow. So yeah, it's crazy. In the middle of Norway, here in Trøndelag, the snow comes and goes like all winter long, and it's kind of yeah, it's not the best. I think it was better up north when I lived there. And I think it's better down south because it's just basically warmer. But yeah, unstable weather here in Trøndelag. So, but that's just need more gear. Gear to handle everything: rain, cold, sunny. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how the snowstorm turns out. Ooh! Ready?
Jeg spent på hvordan størrelse det var du skulle ha.
9.
Ah.
One single beat, det bra. Jeg tar på hansker, bare så slipper å få fettmerker. Fettmerker på... Nei, nå glemte jeg å filme det der, men jeg har filmet det her heldigvis.